What's up, guys? It's your boy Flo. Man, I'm excited to be sharing this with you guys. I am excited. I feel like I just stumbled on a gem that 5-6 years ago, if I had this, I would have saved a ton of money on buying different storm boxes, different pedals, different third-party plugins, all of this trying to get the perfect guitar tone. And I feel like it's finally here. I finally was able to do it in Logic Pro, and most importantly, using only Logic Pro stock plugins. No third-party plugins were involved in the creation of these tones. It's all in Logic. If you have Logic Pro X, you already have access to these superpowers. It was always a question of how can I get an amazing tone without breaking the bank and without having to carry a ton of equipment behind me in different scenarios. For example, I'm in this hotel right now, and if I were to record guitars, I could do it inside of my Logic Pro X without any hassle. So I think this is a game changer. If you're a guitarist using Logic Pro X, I would urge you to check out these presets. The link will be in my bio. Also, it's also a recording template, so you will be seeing me using that template that I also created for guitarists using Logic Pro. And man, it's just a no-brainer having these presets as well as the recording template. If you're a guitarist who does session work or is constantly traveling, or you want to get started off in doing all of this and diving into the world of being a session guitarist, I know for a fact that this is a game changer. It'll change your life. So let's dive deeper, let's check it out, and yeah, let's go. Alright, cool. So let's now take a look at the guitar recording template itself. So basically the concept that I had in mind when I was creating this is I broke it down into 3 categories: clean guitars, distortion lead guitars and modulation guitars. All right. There's a recording track at the starting or at the top of each group. And what I use this recording track for is, like it says, recording. I would record my guitar tracks, and once I'm done, then drag it down to any of these different channels down below. That way it keeps it clean. You don't have to worry about like having tons of tracks. And if you ever run out of tracks, you can always just duplicate and create more tracks. And yeah, that's the concept that I use when it comes to keeping my guitar session clean and tidy. I kind of pre-made these little markers: intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus. That's a basic structure of how most of my songs that I record. Obviously it changes with each song. You can always just relabel it and type it in. I also have a counting, so it gives you like a little break before the starting of a song. Let's say there's like a guitar riff that you want to do at the beginning before anything else starts. You could always just play it right here before the song actually starts. This is where you would drag your audio file at the top, left and right for lead guitars. Modulation, we have chorus, phaser, some reverse delays, a wide guitar, and yeah, like honestly, I don't think you need anything extra when it comes to recording guitars. And studio engineers actually don't even want any crazy post or pre-processing. They would like to have full control over recorded guitars. So I think this is a pretty straightforward and easy to use preset. Also a disclaimer: when recording your guitars, you want to always activate low latency mode at the top here. You want to always make sure that this is on, so that way you don't have any crazy latency when recording. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it.